Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of exercise first year. Always question number 5th. Three angles of quadrilateral are equal. Quadrilateral, what is given? Quadrilateral means total number of angles and sides will be 4. Out of 4, 3 angles are equal. So we will assume let angle first equal angle second equal angle third equal to x. 3 angles are equal. So first, second and third angle we will assume all these 3 equal angles are x. And fourth angle is given. The fourth angle is 105. Fourth angle is 105 degree. We have to find the magnitude of each of the equal angle. That means we have to find the value of x. So first of all, what we will do, we will write the property, quadrilateral property, sum of all interior angle of quadrilateral is equal to 360. Sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Angles, all interior angles, sum we have to find. So we will add all the 4 angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Sum of all these 4 angles is equal to 360. Now we will put the value. First angle is x, second also x, third also x, and fourth one is 105 is equal to 360. Now on adding these 3 we will get 3x plus 105 degree is equal to 360 degree. Plus 105 will come on right hand side, so it will become minus 105. On the left hand remaining term is 3x. So 3x answer is equal to 10 minus 5 will be 5. 5, 2. Now x is equal to 255 divide 3. On cancelling these two, 3 8 are 24, 3 5 are 15. So x is equal to 5. That means all the equal angles value, that means angle first, angle second, and angle third. All these 3 equal angles are 85. Sorry. Here the value of x is 85. So all the equal angles are 85 degree each. So this is your final answer of question number 5th. In the same way you have to do question number 6th also. What is question number 6? 2 angles of quadrilateral are 75. So 2 angles are given. So first angle we will take 75. Second angle also we will take 75, and the other 2 are equal. So what we have to do, third and fourth angle we have to assume. Let third angle equal fourth angle equal to x. Then we have to use this property. Sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360, and then we will solve it as we have done here only. Now question number 7. Seventh question, find the value of x. First part. Figure is given. A, B, C, D. X plus 25 degree. X minus 35. X minus 20. X minus 10. This is the question, and we have to find the value of x. Vertex name are not given, so I have assumed here myself. This is vertex A, D, B vertex, C vertex. Now This is the four-sided figure, that means it is a quadrilateral, and all the four interior angles are given here, but the values are in terms of x. All the four angle values are in terms of x. We have to find the value of x. So what we have to do, same property we will use, sum of all interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of all the interior angle of the quadrilateral is 360. Now angle A is the first angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Sum of all these four angles is equal to 360. Now A value we will write here, value of A is x plus 25 plus B value is x minus 10 plus C value, C is x minus 20 plus D, angle D is x minus 35 is equal to 360. Now these four terms we will add together, 4x, on adding them we will get 4x plus 25 and minus 10, answer will be plus 50, plus 5. No, it is plus 25 and minus 10. We will get 15 only, plus 15. Then minus 20 and minus 35 when we will solve, we will get minus 55 is equal to 360. Now we will solve these two terms. 4x plus and minus will be minus, so we have to subtract them. On subtracting we will get plus negative number we will get, because greater one is negative, so we will put minus sign. 30 we will get 40. We will get 40 answer. On subtracting them we will get 40 is equal to 360. Next step, this term we will bring on right hand, so it will become 4x is equal to 360 plus 40. 4x is equal to 400. So x is equal to 400 upon 4. On cancelling it we will get 100. So final answer of x is equal to 100. So like this you have to do 7th question, first part. Now see another part number second part. Figure is given. Name we will write ourselves. What is his name? A, B, C, D, E. Here it is 120. Here x plus 20. 2x x. We have to find the value of x. Here these three interior angles are given. Fourth interior angle is this one. We don't know the value of this interior angle. We know exterior angle, outside angle we know. So we have to find the interior angle first. We will use linear pair. The name of this angle is CDA. Angle CDA plus exterior angle CDE is equal to 180. Linear pair we will use here. Now CDE value is 120, so here we will write 120. CDA we don't know, is equal to 180. On solving it we will get CDA is equal to 180 minus 120. 60 degree is the answer of CDA angle. Now we are having all the four interior angle. Here we have to use again same property, sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. First one is BAT angle plus second one is ABC plus third one BCD plus fourth one CTA is equal to 360. Sum of all the four interior angles is 360. BAT answer is x. Value of ABC 2x. BCD x plus 20. CDA 60. Now x plus 2x, 3x plus x, 4x. Plus 20 plus 60 will become plus 80 is equal to 360. Plus 80 will come on right hand. It will become 360 minus 80. So here we will get 280. 4x answer. X answer is 280 upon 4. On cancelling it, we will get x is equal to 70 degree. So final answer of x is 70. So like this you have to do question number 7, third part also and fourth part also. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook.